Hey there! Are you struggling to create engaging videos for your business or personal projects? vidIQ is here to save the day. In this article, we'll dive into how vidIQ can revolutionize your video creation process with its AI video maker tools. What is vidIQ? vidIQ is an AI-powered video maker that helps you create stunning videos in minutes. Whether you're a marketer, educator, or social media influencer, vidIQ has everything you need to bring your ideas to life. Why choose vidIQ? Ease of use. vidIQ is incredibly user-friendly. You don't need any prior video editing experience to get started. The intuitive interface makes it easy to navigate and create professional-looking videos. AI-powered features. vidIQ's tools are game changers. From text-to-video generators to AI script generators, these features make video creation a breeze. You can convert written text into engaging videos, generate scripts, and even create stunning images with the AI image generator. Collaborative workflow. vidIQ allows you to collaborate with team members in real time. This feature is perfect for businesses and marketers who need to produce high-quality videos quickly. How to use vidIQ's video maker. Step 1. Create your video. Head over to vidiq.com and sign up for a free account. Choose from a variety of templates or start from scratch. Input your text prompt and let vidIQ generate your video. Step 2. Customize your video. Use vidIQ's text-to-speech feature to add voiceovers in multiple languages. Customize your video with transitions, effects, and subtitles. Export your video and share it on social media platforms. Ensuring your video is around 8 minutes long. Plan your content. Before you start creating your video, plan out your content. Write a script and create a storyboard to visualize the flow of your video. This will help you gauge the length of each segment. Set up your video. Import clips. Upload your video clips to vidIQ. Make sure they are organized and ready to be edited. Add clips to timeline. Drag and drop your clips onto the timeline. Arrange them in the order you want them to appear in your final video. Trim clips. Trim functionality. Use vidIQ's trim feature to adjust the length of each clip. Click the thumbnail of the clip, then drag the border to adjust the length of the clip and choose the part you want to use. Add transitions and effects. Transitions. Add transitions between clips to smooth out the flow. vidIQ offers a variety of transitions that can be applied easily. Effects. Use vidIQ's overlay collection to add creative elements like frames, stickers, icons, and more to enhance your video. Adjust video speed. Speed adjustment. Use vidIQ's speed adjustment feature to speed up or slow down parts of your video. This can help you fit your content into the desired time frame. Voiceovers and audio. Voiceovers. Add voiceovers using vidIQ's text-to-speech feature. This can help you narrate your video and ensure it stays within the 8-minute mark. Background music. Add background music to enhance the mood and engagement of your video. Make sure the music is not too long and fits within your 8-minute timeline. Preview and adjust. Preview your video regularly as you add clips, transitions, and effects. This will help you gauge the length and make necessary adjustments. If your video is too long, trim clips or remove unnecessary segments. If it's too short, add more content or extend some scenes. Export and review. Once you're satisfied with your video, export it. vidIQ allows you to export videos up to 1080p resolution, which is suitable for most platforms. After exporting, review your video to ensure it meets the 8-minute mark and is engaging throughout. FAQs about vidIQ. What is the AI text-to-video tool? The AI text-to-video tool converts your text prompts into stunning videos. It's perfect for creating promotional videos, explainer videos, and social media content. Can I use vidIQ for free? Yes, vidIQ offers a free plan. However, for more advanced features and no watermarks, you might want to consider upgrading to a paid plan. Is vidIQ suitable for beginners? Absolutely. vidIQ is designed to be user-friendly, making it perfect for beginners. The AI tools and templates help you create professional videos without any prior experience. Conclusion: vidIQ is your go-to AI video maker for creating engaging and professional videos. With its ease of use, powerful AI features, and collaborative workflow, vidIQ makes video creation a breeze. Whether you're a business owner, marketer, or social media influencer, vidIQ has everything you need to elevate your video content. So, what are you waiting for? Start creating stunning videos with vidIQ today. Sign up now and get started with your free account. The link is down below in the description. By following these steps and using vidIQ's Video Maker, you'll be able to create high-quality videos that engage your audience and help you achieve your content goals. Happy creating! Everything you've seen in this video has been created with the power of AI, from the script to the visuals and beyond. While advanced AI tools have streamlined the entire process, making it easier than ever to deliver high-quality content, it's the human touch that brings these elements to life, ensuring the movements and flow and quality control are just right. If you're interested in the tools we've used, the links are provided down below for your convenience. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest tips for leveraging AI in your affiliate marketing journey. This post contains affiliate links. If you purchase through these links, we may earn a commission at no additional cost to you. This helps us continue to provide valuable content and resources for our audience. Feel free to copy and paste this into your blog post.